So there's this flour right here. So this is a dope dough right there. Bam. Bam. So this is some cornmeal. You spread it on. Nice and even. Perfect. So you make this sauce. Spread it on. Oh, nice and even. Nice and even. You gotta make it even.
It's even.
Splash it.
Pretty good.
Yeah. So this is some pepper. Spread it. Yeah, man.
This is Romano.
This is some nice mozzarella cheese. Yum. Yum. Spread it evenly. So this is prosciutto. The most amazing Italian ham you could ever find. Sorry. And you spread it
Evenly.
evenly. Things, asparagus. Perfect. Put it on. Slap it on. So you have this beautiful pizza.
Looks good.
Oh my god. Oh,
Open.
I can smell it. You just put it in the oven. So look at this stuff. Oh my god, it's done. We take it out. Oh, it smells amazing. It's done. Dough number 2. 8 is for awesome. Throw it in there. Sauce, dough, spread. Romano cheese. Sprinkle over. So delicately. Mozzarella. Mozzarella. You got this pepperoni. Oh my god, pepperoni.
There's a lot of them.
Spread them out evenly. What you do is take a pinch of that sausage on each pepperoni. You got peppers. Put it in. Spread it evenly. You got some grzyby, Polish grzyby. Put it on. Slap it on.
These are onions on half.
Pepper. This beauty goes right on this slab of wood.
It's not wood, man. It's a stone.
So.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit! Ah! Push it! Push it!
That's there. Hey, remember this pizza? This is truffle oil. No, cut this thing.
To eat this wonderful pizza. Oh.
Pretty good.
Egg parmesan. Oh my god, the smell!
It's pretty good.
Oh my god, I can't wait to eat that. Oh. Delicious. Pizza. Hand. Eat. Yum.